I'm going to show you how to change a key. Here are the steps. You always have to follow them. But this lock is special because you can change the key for another key with this little key that comes here, that comes included in the package. The lock has to have this little dot here. Remember, because that's where the key goes. If it doesn't have that, it won't work. And these locks are called smart. Even the key says smart key. In less than 2 minutes, we're going to do it. In this particular demonstration, we are going to carefully change the original key of this specific lock. For this purpose, it has to be a smart lock. This is the little key that you use, and it says, I don't know if you can see it, it says smart key. This is inserted into that little building over there. And I'm going to put in the original key. And we see there that it's working. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to leave this open like this. Let's turn the key horizontally so that the little building is on top. And we're going to insert the smart key there, and it makes a soft, gentle sound, and you realize that it's almost a little sound, barely like a click. We take it out. We carefully take out the original key without turning the lock, and we're just going to simply insert the new key so that it changes. Let's put in a different key point. What I'm going to do is turn everything all the way around until it goes in. What's going on? And we're going to... Yes, it's definitely working. Let's see. We take it out. We insert the key. Now, it's the national key, and it's working with this lock. I'm going to insert the key that was before. And it goes in, but it doesn't work, which means that we've already changed it. The original one for a new one. And it's good to do that from time to time. I mean, there might be several copies of the key to your house. And anyone can get in using that key.